Tinnitus retraining therapy induces habituation. That means it's using your brain's natural abilities between your brain and your body to heal itself over time. This means that with the right kind of resources, direction, support, education, counseling, and sound therapy, that your brain and body can naturally take care of the problem. People get better from tinnitus without a surgery, without a pharmaceutical pill to cure the problem. And it gets better to the point where they realize, hey, my life is good now. I don't need to try to silence tinnitus because I don't mind if I hear it every now and then. That means your brain and your body over time can recalibrate the system and calm down the loudness of tinnitus. I have seen it personally, and I wanted to make sure I make it clear that it's possible out there.